Here's Davy Brasco, the world's best trader alive. And as you can see, I have covered my shorts. The last shorts we have been hedging 2 weeks ago at 16,853. And during the time, then in the chat and below my trading ideas, go to my Tradingview, follow me, subscribe this channel at YouTube, hit your notification bell and also activate them on your mobile device. It is important because otherwise you got not be updated. And I can see who is hitting that bell and who's not, and that means people who are not doing it are not verified. They don't get no signal from me. So today we have two more sells at 16,876, 16,800, 16,895, and 16,998, 16,878, and all profits, all positions in big profit now. We are coming down to the next level. Yes, we go down, but somewhere here. So I tell you the exact price where we will soon experience. It is maybe for the short-term buyers interesting because the price will go up a little bit and then we wait to sell the market short again. So should I tell you this? Where before doing it we go. So we see on daily chart Nasdaq could not break the high, so that's definitely downtrend. That's what I was waiting for. The market goes down, the sellers will have more profit making chances. We go to S&P. Oh yes, I love it. Look at this, where I'm in. Where is the price now at S&P? And the RTI, my favorite. The RTI follows first and then other follow. Also the same, we have sold exactly at the top, and now my indicator again confirming it. You see my indicators are the best of the world. So we go, and dollar index the same. Yeah, dollar is up. DAX is down, of course, and we were selling DAX. Did we? Have we sold? Of course we did. Of course, we are short DAX very well, and we stay short. And how about gold? Yeah, we are going to sell gold because gold is going down. Yeah, you cannot see here my positions already. So I got here for you. Yeah, I'm showing where I'm making losses. I'm showing where I'm making profits. This is my channel. If you don't like it, go away and shut the fuck up. So Bitcoin going up. If you have been watching my last video, watch it again because I have told you the levels, and Bitcoin up, guys. So how many trades have I promised and how many are in profits? Look at this. At this point here I told you buy. You see it? And now look with the prices. You have been following the fucking scams, then you are losing money, and you deserve it. You deserve it if you follow the unsuccessful scams, like the namesakes, punks, jerks, scams, garbage. Then you deserve to lose. So, of course, in US 30, we are also short. Oil, crude oil, of course we are long. Yes, We're long in crude oil long, and US dollar Canada. Yeah, we are long, of course. What else? And how about dollar and Japanese yen? Oh, baby, I love it. In the Japanese yen, I had for my last post, I said I am go to US dollar Japanese yen mines in chat. I added a statement. I bought this at around, this is the average price, 144, but I was at 141 something here also buying this. And so I think 100 people have been disagreeing with me, attacking me. I stood silent because I know my trading system is the best of the world. And now they are coming, hey, how can you stay silent, so confident? And I don't answer. So that's the best, just freeze them all. But there was yesterday a very nice guy, I like to say. I thought first he was offending me, but he told me he's really is satisfied how confident I am. So he's trading since 1 year and asked me to help him to teach and so on. And I told him I am no teacher. I am not charging money for that because I'm not doing this. I have just my 52 traders, my students. I'm not taking any more traders, so my academy is full. I am not going to educate anymore, and all my traders are trading my funds and also part of their own money. We have a very big foundation, so they just follow my instructions and they must do what I say, and if they don't, they get fired. But if they do and they make profit, because I take 100% risk of the capital, they just place the orders for me, and that way currently we are trading more than 17,850 markets. 17,815 markets every day. That's a big number, yeah? Yeah. And therefore I need 52 traders. I have been testing them, then teaching all my methods, strategies for 2 years. And now, then after a very, very difficult test, I wrote the test, but I failed myself in this test, but they have been passing through. So I said, you know what, guys, you are hired, and they are trading my money now. So the next one, and here to this guy, what's the name of this motherfucker? TDM 1981 in Tradingview chat. I'm going to hunt you now. You are a fucking spammer, and we get every one of my followers should report this fucking guy because he is a scam. He is working for a criminal illegal organization in internet, and I have been reporting him also to IC3 of FBI and US government. That is that very hard badass boys and department section that is fucking his ass because they are hunting these people for money laundering. And I tell you what, if you follow these scams like this one, TDM 1981 or Kimi motherfucker son of the bitch, Kimi Maki or what his name is, and this guy, and the IC3 is going to arrest these people, they will automatically track you and monitoring all your internet, everything, all your life, and you get trouble because they will tell you that you have contact to these cyber criminals because of money laundering. Yeah, money laundering is an illegal activity. Never do that. If you know someone, report him. Avoid to take any contact, ban him, and immediately report him because you risk that for minimum 10 or 15 years, you will go to prison, to jail, even for following these people or chatting with these people. You did not know that? I didn't know that too. But someone from the FBI told me that, and I'm telling you now, it's up to you to follow these motherfuckers, motherfucked son of the bitches and girls of the bitches. So, to the hell, all of them. The next one, US dollar Swissy. Yes, I love it, baby. Oh, I love these moves, and I let it run. It's going to the moon. Long. GBP. So I took long profits, and I'm short now again. So a little bit. I'm starting a little bit slowly because the BOE is driving a little bit crazy at this moment. Then euro dollar, how about that? Of course, short. Then GBP yen, of course, long. It will go much more higher. Then Audi and Japanese yen, we will have a correction here. Perfect time to buy Audi again. Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, the same, fantastic. All up, Canada up against the Japanese yen. So the next pair, Euro Japanese yen, yeah, we are going high. And then we go to Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. Currently, you see here, my position is still, because I'm starting a little bit slow. I let it come down. I'm testing the market. I'm showing also. You see here, if it's not wrong. I know it's going up. This is the first test of the market. I buy, but little, and the market comes down, and then exactly then, if they think they are trapping me, I buy very big. Long. Oil Brent, of course, long. What else? Look at these moves. Everybody's selling, buying. I was all the time buying. It's going up. So Ethereum and US dollar. Okay, perfect here. Right, you see here the trend. Gotta see here. Oh, fantastic. Go on my TradingView ideas if you like it. Then, and Apple. So Apple recovering. So I'm going then to short later again. So back to Nasdaq. Here in daily chart, we see that we are pretty in the long run. So that's a very fantastic selling price, where we have been selling Nasdaq, and I am waiting for the last confirmation here to add now much more shorts to sell Nasdaq heavily. But let's continue now. So look at my new apples I bought. All right. So you see here, I'm showing also not my profitable, but also my positions that are currently red, and also positions I have taken losses, of course, because if you are wrong, you need immediately to get out. Very important rule. So in Apple, I added shorts. Then in Amazon is long. I am buying Amazon. Interestingly, not like the other stocks, Amazon is going higher. How about Tesla? We gotta see, I'm buying Tesla. I'm selling Tesla, I'm sorry. So getting short Tesla. Then Google. I'm buying Google because I'm expecting it's going higher. Then Broadcom. I'm selling Broadcom. This is the daily chart, okay? So these prices are the daily chart. And you see Broadcom has a lot of difficulties to reach the previous high. The next one is Oracle, and Oracle, I am selling Oracle. Oracle could not hold that level and also tried to reach the gap, but it was not successful. I'm selling also Adobe. This is my first sell now, and I'm waiting to cover that and to increase if it's going in my direction. Then Nvidia, I am long. We will expect a move back of Nvidia, and I will cover the longs then, or go short. So Meta, I am long in Meta. We have a very good price development. And Microsoft, I am long also in Microsoft. So we had a big double bottom, cup and handle, successful reach. Then we have sideways consolidation, bear flag, and then a breakout. Fantastic. Microsoft definitely long. And we will see how next week these positions will be developed. Nasdaq. So Inflix, I am going with just 4 shares, very slowly before, because that has already passed, but I'm waiting now. The earnings are out, and after the earnings I have put some orders to buy more or immediately to take possibly losses and to short immediately. Then JPM, after taking a very big profit, I went at around 142, I was long. Then today I took profit and I am going to sell the JPM. Then AMD, I am short also at the top. Cisco, I am going to sell and shorting Cisco. Then the next one is Intel. Gamza, I am going to, not a good year for high tech this year, so I am going to sell Intel and I'm short. Texas Instrument, also short. Yeah, it missed the V pattern and the confirmation. And then MasterCard, I'm going to buy the MasterCard inflation high, so people need a lot of credits and they need MasterCard. All right, Pepsi, I'm going to sell Pepsi. Fantastic breakout here. I was exactly looking for that tick below. And it took me a lot of time to wait, but I knew when I go in this trade will be very successful. And will come to around 159. If breaking that, we go then to 156 and then down, and it smells a lot of money for me and my team. Then we are going also to sell Comcast, so we are very slowly now in. I'm not showing you my stops. I don't want to know my stops and my other entries. Then Intuit, I'm shorting Intuit. It's going down. Qcom will go down, therefore I am selling Qcom at this high. And Honeywell, of course, low short. Yeah, the earnings will not be so good, estimated. Then the next one is Amet. And let's say Amet. No, it's not going to show. Ah, of course. Applied Materials, Amet, I'm going to sell. Very good price down structure. And the next one is Starbucks Corporation. I'm shorting it very slowly. Booking Holdings, a good, very expensive price to sell. In my opinion, the stock has not deserved that value. So the value is much more deeper. Very expensive, this stock at this moment. So I'm going and I will short more. I'm not going to, the real or fair value of this price is not that price. It must go down. A minimum to below 3,000. So then, yeah, Intuitive Surgical, a very good company in my opinion. I started to buy the company. Then my Singapore index, I'm going to sell Singapore, one of my favorite indexes. I think during the last years, I remember how many losses I had. I cannot remember. There are very few. I had some, I think 3 times or just 5 times during the last, since the beginning of this index. There's no couple of years. I had just 3 or 5 losses at all. But all-time winners. This index, I love this index. One of my very favorites. Always the best for trend followers. Never playing crazy. If it's going a direction, it goes to the direction. If it stops, it stops. If it turns back, it turns back. So not very complicated to trade this. Fantastic instrument. Then my favorite, the Chinese. Of course, I'm selling the Chinese. Yeah, what else? Yeah, the Chinese, very well. We have been taking also very good profits since 2021. And covered again, taking profit, covered again, taking profit. And now finally, all along the way, we turned them, took profit, and we let the short hedges as long-term short positions run. Then EU 50, also one of my next favorites. And I sell this stock. So you see here the moves of the stocks very smooth. That's dream, this paradise for every trend follower to make millions of dollars or euros in EU 50. Then 50, I'm going to short that. I sold it this morning. Then Hong Kong 50, I'm going now to watch some news. Will be released at this midnight, and I am going probably to sell more. Then Italy 40, so closed all longs, and we are absolutely short now. So we had somewhere around beginning of November, we had this very nice bullish, and now we are going to short this index, also one of my favorites. Then France 50, the next favorite of mine, I'm going to short it. Then my Japanese indices, I'm buying Japanese. Yes, this is the only index or one of a few indices I'm going to buy. And I am long. Then Australia, I'm shorting it exactly at the top. We got very nice prices. Also this night it will be very fantastic. Then Netherlands, also very like Singapore index. You will have a lot of fun with this index. We are going to short it. Then we have Australian 200. Open the position, and you see now the position I've been opening 2 hours ago is now coming into profit. Then Swiss 20, I'm going to short this at the high. The Swiss 20 economically very, very strong, but there are of course fears of foreign investors. There's the interest rate sides of SNB. It's a little bit questionable, but my system is telling me buy the sell the high now. Therefore, I sell SW20. Then if you go back to my favorite stock, to Baba. So this guy Kimimaki, my best anti-indicator, whatever he says, I do exactly the opposite. I think this guy was born as a loser, but maybe God made him to make me rich. And exactly every time what he says, I do the opposite. I am making money. So he says Baba long, I am selling Baba. And so Baba short. Then eBay, exactly the same. Yeah, my anti-indicator Kimimaki wanted to buy eBay. I'm going to sell that because I'm the world's best trader. So SPY, yeah, I'm going to short SPY. I am selling SPY, SP Spain 35. Today started to sell. The position is now in plus. Then natural gas, what's doing it? Yeah, I'm buying natural gas, guys. Natural gas is going higher. Coffee, I was shorting it. The market starts a little bit probably to turn, and it will be a correction if not breaking the high. If breaking the high, then I get out, of course. So orange juice is going to fall, guys. So look at this. We had this, the trading idea. I was buying here. Where am I buying here? It was the best market. I was buying here, yeah. Somewhere around here at 134, something around that. I bought, I let it run, and look, this is trend following, guys. Here, look. I just forgot the trade. And then I was looking back, oh, my dude, my broker called me and said, what are you doing? This trade was moving 220%, and my profit was around 918% just in this trade. Meaning you have an account, and now multiply the sum of your account with 918%. You took only one trade, and this trade made 918%, just this one trade. So, and I have many trades like this. Now you can imagine how much profit I do. So, and let the market run, the profit, let the profits run. That's all. So, cotton seems to come back because of possibly inflation or bad data, not economic, but geopolitical data. And this is the season for the cotton. Then Swissy and Japanese yen, we are long. Then we are going then to one of my favorites of the last years. We are going to, so I am all in this market, but I don't tell you where. I don't want you to know that. I don't want you to make money. I don't want you to make money in them. You must make your own researches. I'm not going to show you everything, but I want to show you this trade. So, yeah. Argentinian dollar. So this is the daily chart of Argentinian dollar. But if we go to, anyway, you can watch also as I was entering again Argentinian dollar IRS. I made also a video of that. So, but look, this is trend following, guys, yeah. And before that, before we did it, so we have no data anymore. Now reverse, flip this picture. It was 2018 to 2023, exactly the opposite picture in RS and Australian dollar. Then we kind of see also here. Look at this market, and it doesn't matter if you go in, it will go in higher, right? So with our Argentinian dollar, that's a must. It's going down, you make money. It's going up, you make money. And you will have a success rate of minimum 90% in this market, I promise. So if we look now on the Iranian dollar, Japanese yen, I am long for Iranian dollar, and instead I sold on the same time Japanese yen against Iranian dollar. Then we have the Omani Rial versus Japanese yen. It will go much more higher. So these trades will close to investment. You just put your money buying Oman Rial and Iranian Rial against Japanese yen, and you let it go, and Argentinian dollar, and you let it go until the market reverses. Then you take profits, you go short, and you wait. You forget the trade. Just forget the trade, go away, and one day you come back after 3, 4, 5 years, you see how much money it has been made. So right, these are the best trades of life. If you can take them, I don't know, you must have a good broker like I have to offer to trade these assets. I'm not going to say what brokers I am working with. I have a couple of brokers, and they are very trustworthy. I'm working since 30 years with them, and they are the best at the market, and I admire and thank them a lot. But it's also against the policies to make recommendations, because they don't accept every client. The client must be recommended by another client who has been a minimum for 10 years their clients. Only then they accept. And I'm very happy I'm working with them. So we go back. Oh, look at my Nasdaqs. Wow. Dude, I love myself. Look at Nasdaq. These 7 days, and we go back. Now we go back. Yes, David Brasco, the world's best trader. So where are the prices here? So I smooth that. Look at this, baby. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. And if you're a tick trader, I mean, if you are a day trader, yeah, and you are a scalper, and you say, I buy and sell and close every trade. I mean, dude, this trade will go so deep. Just this one trade will cover all your losses of the last months, of the last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. If you must stay strong, but okay, I'm not recommending anything, yeah? I'm a trend follower. I am the best trend follower alive. So, this is my analysis, guys. Have a nice day.